If you are wondering if we have edge lighting available on Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is yes. We do have an option to use edge lights on our phone. You just have to go to settings first. And once you open settings, then in here we're gonna go to notifications. Then in notifications, open notification pop-up style option over here. First, you want to make sure that the brief option is selected, and then here below we have add lightning effect. And most likely you want to use this echo style that allows you to have like these lines on both sides. You can also go for something completely different like the heart, fireworks and whatever, but they will be displayed here at the top where we have notifications displayed here at the top of the screen. In my case, the echo is my favorite one. We can also choose the color. We can also adjust the duration and transparency of that effect. And of course we can tap on a done to save our changes. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.